Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of bass, the KickEQ Comp RT 12-inch Subwoofer Enclosure Package with 46CXA4001 amplifier and wire kit. If you've been craving deep, rich, and punchy bass for your car audio system, this setup is the perfect plug-and-play solution to completely transform your sound experience. The centerpiece of this package is the KickEQ Comp RT 12-inch subwoofer, engineered with a thin profile designed to fit in tight spaces while still delivering massive output. It's paired with a passive radiator for even deeper low-end extension, making every bass note hit with precision and authority. The rugged enclosure is built to handle serious power while resisting flex, ensuring pure, distortion-free sound at any volume. Powering it all is the KickEQ 46CXA4001 mono amplifier, pushing out a solid 400 watts RMS at 2 ohms. The perfect match for the Comp RT sub. The amp features KickEQ variable bass boost for fine-tuning your low frequencies, and a variable 12 dB crossover for optimal system integration. Built-in protection circuitry keeps your gear safe from thermal overloads, overvoltages, and short circuits. This package also includes a high-quality wire kit, so you have everything you need for installation right out of the box. Whether you're an experienced installer or doing it yourself for the first time, the included wiring ensures maximum power transfer with minimal signal loss. Designed for tight truck cabins, under-seat setups, or any compact space, this KickEQ combo is perfect for anyone who wants hard-hitting bass without sacrificing room. If you want a full, concert-like sound experience every time you drive, this system is a no-brainer. So, if you're ready to upgrade your ride with heart-thumping bass and clean, reliable power, check out the link in the description. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more epic gear reviews.